The toughest battle for any sensible technician is in designing a layout for his or her project to suit certain specifications. Through the aid of a project management software, for architects and engineers for instance, there is a realization of some of these factors without extreme efforts. Thus, one can branch this into other aspects of the mission that do not often receive the proper attention. Since the start of invention, there is a record of processes relevant to any project. They include preparation, procedure, and conclusion, which one can include subdivisions to suit their purpose. This tool therefore has a scheduling feature as part of planning by allowing the creation of an initial rough model. This simplifies what is hard and breaks down the stages necessary in achieving it. Aligning of remaining bits thus becomes much easier than having to commence manually from scratch. With a layout of an entire project, then analysis of the details follows, with particular attention to the implications and their coherence. For a smooth process, the points have to be in specific order of execution. This way, the engineers can get to gauge their options and know what should come, where and when. It is not as difficult as the previous task, but it offers adequate challenge as well. Coordinating the data and trying to form a simulation is essential, especially when trying to identify flaws and enhance other points. By mere thinking, most individuals allow their imaginations to overrule some things that turn out to be costly eventually. By displaying a model from the program, they can turn to their plans and rethink their strategy, hence cheaper and saving time. The human input is often under scrutiny, especially because of the tendency to get some figures or functions wrong with no help. Therefore, by carrying out a design using this technique, it allows for others to come in and analyze the information, giving what is positive or not about it, unless there is a special mind that retrieves such complex and detailed information and processes it into a visible model, then this will continue being the best option. Data consists of figures, digits, and words, and it takes some space in the memory of a processor to tolerate any form of large, valued info. Then, there exists virtual memory location, dependent on the program. In such an instance, the information goes to some locations where integration of previous forms and updates takes place. The good thing about having a common program that designs a number of prototypes is the issue of referencing later. Everything becomes available for analysis and comparison in case one needs to produce a similar result. It thus serves a unique purpose that such a program should. The models may differ, including the programming and features, but the essential benefits remain the same as the above mentioned. A project management software for architects and engineers is thus more than a tool, as it essentially is a companion. No matter what the project is, this will always provide a platform to be innovative and diverse.